Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next question. For each of the following, y is directly proportional to x. Copy and complete the following table. We have given with two tables in which two variables are given in each table, x and y. And they are saying that x is directly proportional to y for each table. So starting the part A, as x is directly proportional to y or y is directly proportional to x, y is directly proportional to x. According to the given information, y is directly proportional to x. So it means that y must be equal to x when it is multiplied by a constant which is k. So the equation for it is y is equals to kx. So first we will find the value of k by putting the value of x and y. So in this table we will take that values in which y and x are given. So in this value x is given, y we have to find. In this x is given, y we have to find. In this y is given, x we have to find. In this y is given, x we have to find. But in this value x and y both are given. So by using these two values of x and y, we will find first k, then we will find the remaining values. So as we know that according from the table, x is equals to 24 when y is equals to 6. So y will be equal to, y is equals to kx. So the value of y is 6 and the k and the value of x is 24. So k must be equal to 6 upon 24. 6 4s are 24. So k must be equal to 1 by 4. So the value of k will be 1 by 4. Now we will find the remaining values. First we will find the value of y when x is equals to 4. So first we will find y when x is equals to 4. So the equation will be y is equals to k and the value of k is 1 by 4 x. So now y must be equal to 1 by 4 and the value of x is 4. So 4 can be by cancelling 4 by 4, the value of 4 by 4, the value of y will be 1. So it means that when x is equals to 4, y must be equal to 1. So we can write here, when x is equals to 4, y must be equal to 1. In the second, x is 20, we have to find y. So x is equals to 20 and we have to find y. So using the same equation, y is equals to kx and the value of k is 1 by 4 into x. So y is equals to 1 upon 4 into 20. So 4 5 are 20 and y is equals to 5. So it means that here the value of y is 5. Now we have to find x, y is 9. Now we have to find x and value of y is 9. So using the same equation, y is equals to 1 upon 4 x. 1 upon 4 is the value of k. So y, the value of y is 9. 9 is equals to 1 upon 4 into x. So x will be equal to 4 9s are 36. So value of x is 36. It means that x will be 36 when y will be 9. And the last is we have to find x when y is equals to 11. So the equation is y is equals to 1 upon 4x. 1 upon 4 is the value of k. So y is 11. 1 upon 4 into x. So the value of x will be 11. 4 goes on the other side and multiply by 11. So it will be 11 4s are 44. So value of x will be 44 when y is 11. So this is the part A. Now we have to do part B. For part B, for this table, y is also directly proportional to x. So it means that y is directly proportional to x. So it means that y must be equal to kx. So first we will find the value of k. To find the value of k, we will use dat values, dat column in the table in which x and y both values are given. So we will use these values. X is 3 and y is 3.6 to find the value of k. So x is 3 and y is 3.6. So y 3.6 is equals to k into x. To find x, 3.6 will be divided by 3. So the value of k will be 3.6 divided by 3. So the value of k will be 1 by 2. So by using this value of k, we will find the values of the remaining in the table. In the table, first we have to find the value of y when x is 2. When x is given 2, we have to find y. So using the equation y is equals to kx, y is equals to k, the value of k is 1 by 2 into x. So y is equals to 1 by 2 into 2. So y will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 2.4. So value of y will be 2.4 when x is 2. Now we will find the value of y when x is 5.5. When x is 5 by 5.5, we have to find the value of y. So using the equation y is equals to 1 by 2 into x. So y is equals to 1 by 2 into x, and the x is 5.5. So y will be equal to 5.5 multiplied by 1 by 2. It is 6.6. So the value of y is 6.6 when x is 5.5. Now we will find the value of x when y is 9.6. So now the value of x we have to find, and the value of y is 9.6. So the given equation is y is equals to k into x. K is 1.2 into x. So 9.6 is equals to 1.2 into x, and 9.6 will be divided by 1.2 is equals to x. So value of x will be 9.6 divided by 1.2. The value of x will be 8. So it means that x is 8 when y is 9.6. Now the last part, we have to find the value of x when y is 11.4. So the equation is y is equals to 1.2 into x. Y is 11.4 is equals to 1.2 into x. Now we have to find the value of x. The value of x will be 11.4 divided by 1.2. 11.4 divided by 1.2. It is 9.5. So the value of x is 9.5. The value of x will be 9.5. So this is the question. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.